in there. Come on, then. There you are!
We got 3 of your stinking old badgers. What are you going to do about it?
Why? Why'd you do it?
Because it's a laugh.
A laugh? Killing a beautiful creature!
And it doesn't matter how much you try, because we're still going to get them.
Yeah. His name is Mr. Galliflakis.
Mr. Galliflakis.
Yeah, he's the new chief executive of the PCT.
Oh, right. Okay, do you want me to put him off until you're feeling better?
No. No, don't do that. We've put him off twice already. It'll look really bad if we do that again. No, I want you to get Heston to do this.
Heston's still off sick.
Oh, damn, I'd forgotten about that. Oh, well, that leaves the only other partner being Daniel. God help us.
Well, look, I'll brief him. I'm sure he'll be fine. You should go back to bed, get some rest. Okay, bye.
No.
Where you got to, scumbag? You hurt?
Julia wants one of the partners to see him.
Mr. Galliflakis.
Yeah, only she does not want it to be Daniel.
Sorry I'm late.
Late? You shouldn't even be here. You should be resting.
I've had enough rest to last me a lifetime.
You shouldn't come back before you're ready.
Yeah, Ruth's right. You're not well enough to see patients.
I'm only going to do paperwork.
And that's all.
Scout's honour.
Make sure he sees no one. And that includes Mr. Galliflakis. No one sees Heston. Doctor's orders. Daniel can do it.
I'm not sure Julia agrees.
He'll be fine. The experience will do him good. Give him a bit of responsibility.
Ah, looks as though the earth swallowed him up. Welcome to him. Good riddance. Come on, Nip.
What are you looking at?
Just some rubbish. You hurt?
Get lost, I don't need your help.
I hadn't offered you any. You're gonna lie there all day, are you? Oh, come on. I'll give you a handout.
Get lost, I don't need your help.
Don't you dare! Or I'll leave you to rot.
And Mr. Galliflakis is the new chief executive of the PCT.
Yes, Daniel, you should know this. Did you not read the memo?
Of course.
Okay, right, I looked on the internet for some background, and I found this.
Thank you.
Now, Julia did stress the importance of this for us, for the practice.
Important, I get it.
She's placing a lot of trust in you.
Did she say that?
Well, you know, Julia, she's not one to gush, but she is stressed. I mean, she did stress the high priority of this. Okay?
Yep.
Right. Mill Health Centre.
So how's it going?
Things are going fine. Heston's back, but he's not...
Good, he's back. Right, now when Mr. Galliflakis comes, ask Heston to...
He can't see anyone. Zara's orders.
He's got to.
She says that he isn't well enough, so... Daniel? He's up to speed.
Daniel can't even order a paperclip without messing things up. Ruth, please. You've got to talk to Heston. I don't suppose there's a chance that I could make myself a cup of tea yet, is there? Hello? Oh! Oh, sorry.
I don't want to go in your stinking house. It's probably got fleas.
Don't worry. You ain't invited. You ain't welcome. Make you a cup of tea. Might bring some colour back in your face. Besides the colour green, that is.
You're funny.
There's nothing funny about you and your lot's scumbag.
We'll make that 4 sugars.
Anything?
No, still nothing. Look, why don't you try next door's stopcock? It's over there by his garden shed, just behind there, yeah.
Where?
Shed. That way there, yes. Of course I haven't fiddled with it. Why would I do... Julia Parsons. Double glazing. It's over there by the garden pot. What do you mean I deafened you? Report me then. I'll give you something to report me for. No, not greenhouse shed. Do you need a map? Well, yeah, you too. Honestly, I could have trained a baboon quicker.
Plenty of sugar in that. Just stop you feeling faint.
I don't feel faint. I'm not some stupid old woman.
That arm needs attending to. Looks nasty.
It's my shoulder.
Whatever it is, got to have a doctor look at it.
Sounds like you need to see one yourself.
Have you got one of them mobile thingies?
Why?
Because I haven't got a phone and I've got to call someone, a doctor, to come and see you. Look, I don't want you here any more than you want to be here. But I've got to call an ambulance and get you carted away.
No way. No.
Why not?
Because I don't want an ambulance.
Well, I'll call my own doctor. He's okay.
Obviously, she thinks you're the best person for the job.
I'm very flattered by her faith in me.
She practically insisted, Heston.
Yes, I know Julia when she's in that mood.
So you know the position that I'm in. So please, Heston, please, please.
Okay, very well.
No. Come on, Heston, rest. Come on.
It's all right.
She'll have my guts for garters if I let Daniel do it.
Zara left very clear orders for Heston. You had no right to undermine her or me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm very capable of taking a simple meeting, Ruth. Why do you always feel it necessary to go behind my back?
Oh, I didn't want to. Mill Health Centre. It's Billy Cannon. She sounds in a bad way.
Dr. Granger. Billy? I can't understand. When's my next appointment?
Half an hour.
Billy, I'm on my way. I'll be there shortly. What?
You're going out? What about Mr. Galliflakis?
Do you know, I'm getting tired of your attitude, Ruth. If
My
I deem it
attitude?
necessary to go and see a patient, it is not for you to question.
I'm not
I'm the
questioning
doctor,
whether-
you are the receptionist. Try and remember that.
Badgers are not vermin.
Then why's the government trying to kill him off?
They're not. I mean, try reading the newspapers. They're going to vaccinate them.
Why bother?
Because life is sacred. That's why we bother. Killing a beautiful animal for no good reason, just for the fun of it. I mean, how can you look into an animal's eyes and then wantonly mutilate and murder it and kill it?
It's easy.
Oh, you're pathetic. You're a pathetic creature, poor little souls.
Billy?
Keep that thing away from me. I'm going to wring its neck.
Billy? Okay, try and calm down.
I'm all right, really, Doctor. He's the patient.
Is who here? Mr. Galiflakis? You said between 11:30 and 12, Julia?
Did I? No. Ruth, are you sure you're on the ball here?
Me?
Now, how is Heston? Is he any better?
Don't really feel qualified to say. Sorry. Bad line. Bye.
Oh, great. If I'd wanted all my things broken, I could have done it myself. I'd probably have done a better job of it.
I think you've subluxed your shoulder.
Is that bad?
That's going to be fine. So you're Tyler Smith.
I call him scumbag.
Who's your doctor?
Dr. Gray in Manford Road.
Better?
Oh, that felt gross.
We're going to go to the hospital and get it x-rayed.
It doesn't feel as bad, though.
Good. How'd you do it?
Poetic justice. He's a murderer.
Look, badgers aren't people, okay? You stupid old bat.
I call it murder. He calls it sport.
I'll drop you off at St. Phil's in a bit, but meanwhile, we need to go inside, Billy, so I can examine it, okay?
He's not coming in.
You okay? You're not worried?
Daniel's not back.
Is that a problem?
He's supposed to be seeing Mr. Galiflakis.
Is that the man that you wanted Heston to see?
Yeah, the most important man on the planet, according to Julia.
Is Daniel on house calls? No, he'll be back soon. He's probably just stuck in traffic. Are you going to answer that?
It's Julia.
How do you know?
Julia!
Yeah, we'll be there in half an hour. Thank you.
Can't have pneumonia.
Well, a chest x-ray will confirm it, but I've told you, staying out all night, night after night, isn't doing you any good.
It's worth it.
I know you believe that it is, but you need to take better care of yourself. When was the last time you had a full night's sleep in your own bed?
Can't remember.
What?
It's not just the badgers, Doctor. They see everything as sport. Foxes, deer. I can't understand the mentality.
Hurry up! I'm getting cold out here.
All right, you can come in. I'm going to send you to St. Phil's for a chest x-ray. If it is pneumonia, you need to be prepared for a stay.
Can't stay. Who's going to look after Nipper, my dog, and as the badgers?
Well, you're no use to anyone if you don't look after yourself first. I'm going to call you an ambulance, get you admitted. Fine.
That toe rag's nicked it.
I don't believe it. Can I use yours?
I haven't got one. There's a phone box at the end of the lane. I managed with that.
Mr. Galiflakis, good morning.
Good morning. I'm here to see Miss Parsons.
Yes. I'm afraid Miss Parsons has been taken ill and is unable to be here, but she has arranged for you to see one of the partners.
Excellent.
Okay, this way. Good journey. Traffic's been terrible lately, what with all the roadworks. It takes ages to get anywhere. No doubt we'll all have helicopters soon.
Helicopters.
For when the roads are full. Sometimes I think it's quicker to walk. I expect you've not done that. I expect that you have a nice car. Is it? A nice car, I mean?
Didn't come to talk about my car. Miss.
Pierce. Ruth. No, of course you didn't. Please take a seat. Tea? Coffee?
Coffee will be fine, Miss Pierce. Maybe some biscuits.
Biscuits? Certainly. Chocolate hobnob?
Don't touch it, don't touch it! Just leave it! Okay, sit down, sit down. Oh. Okay, phone, now.
Sorry, Doc.
What's happened to the lad?
What are you doing here? Get back to the house.
Oh, he looks in a bad way, Dr. Granger.
Have you come to gloat at me, you old witch?
There's no signal. Come down here and put some pressure on the pad now. Push down on it. Just there, just there. That's it. Nice and tight.
Are you glad it's me now?
Yeah, ambulance. Yeah, it's a teenage male. He's got some very serious lacerations to his lower left leg. Some sort of trap. Yeah. Ambulance is on its way. Billy, go back to the house. You shouldn't be out here.
I think you need me here, Doc. Besides, I don't think I'm able to go anywhere just now.
Great. Just great.
I don't need your help.
Oh, poor love.
What am I going to do?
About what?
Mr. Galliflakis, he's in Julia's office right now drinking coffee thinking I've got some unnatural obsession about his car. I'm going to have to disturb him.
Mr. Galliflakis?
Heston.
Oh, no, don't. He needs to rest.
Please, will you turn off that drill?
Mental health centre.
Ruth, hi. Where were you?
Dealing with a patient.
So, Mr. Galliflakis must be there now, yeah?
He's been delayed.
Oh.
Traffic.
Oh, okay. So who's going to be taking the meeting? Daniel or Heston?
You just put the phone down on Julia.
I couldn't help it. What am I going to do? Zara. Sorry. She definitely can't do it.
Billy, I need you to keep pressure on his leg, okay? Constant pressure.
You stink worse than the badgers. Oi, what's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
How bad is he, Doc?
You just concentrate on taking deep, slow breaths. I won't be long, okay?
Why do you care? Huh? Why do you care?
I set the trap.
You did this to me.
I'm sorry. Just...
What were you thinking, you stupid old woman?
Well, I wasn't thinking. Night before last, I was in the woods and I saw them mutilating a badger and he was still alive and they set their dogs on it and...
Had nothing to do with that.
You were there.
So what about your precious animals? What if you would have caught one of them?
No, I know their trail, they're safe, but I knew that you lot sometimes use this path as a shortcut from the estate, and I wanted you to feel what it felt like to be trapped and in pain, frightened. I was on my way this morning to make it safe, and you fell and hurt your shoulder, and it went completely out of my head. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
I don't know how you could have done this to me.
Forgive me.
There you go, love.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Tyler. Wake up, Tyler! Tyler! Tyler, you were telling us about your home.
Was I?
Now keep him warm. No. He was on the estate at Morden Road.
That's a rubbish place. Did I kick him? I don't feel so good.
You're doing fine.
No, well, animals don't bear grudges. Now, try a bit of kindness.
I don't want to die.
You're not going to die, Tyler.
Oh, no, we won't let that happen, Doc.
Mr. Galliflakis
wants to know what time the meeting's going to start because he's late already. I told him there was an emergency with a patient and someone will come and see him. Ruth, we can't keep stalling him.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to have to take drastic action.
How drastic?
No, it's the first left after the large farm on the right-hand side. That's it, Downland Farm. Yeah, and then it's Morden Woods. Okay.
I didn't like it when they killed them badgers. I wish I hadn't have been there, Billy.
Why did you?
I don't know. All the others were going.
What?
Yeah, my mates, and they said, come along, you know, it'll be a laugh. Anything, he wasn't even funny.
I think there's hope for him yet, Doc.
Looks that way. Ambulance shouldn't be long now at all. Okay, just keep the pressure on there for me.
I think he likes me.
Of course he does. He's everyone's best friend. He's my best friend.
Billy?
There's no one else.
What do you mean?
My family's gone. I always think they'll always be there, but they go. Everybody always goes. Except Nipper.
Yeah, but I'm sorry. Doctor! Hey, Doc! Hey, Billy, wake up! Hey, wait, Billy, wake up!
Come on, Billy. This way, this way.
Come on, Doc! Come on, Doc, don't stop, come on!
What have we got here? This is Billy, 72-year-old female, unwell with a chest infection. Went off rapidly. She was cyanosed, tactic neck. She appears to have had a hypoxic cardiac arrest. I've been working on her for about 20 seconds. This is Tyler Smith, 19 years of age, multiple lower leg injuries.
It's gonna be all right, boy. It's gonna be all right.
Come on, Billy.
Billy, come on! Billy, come on, Billy! Come on, Doc, don't stop! Come on, Billy! It's gonna be all right, boy.
There she is.
It's gonna be all right.
Nipper!
You did it! Billy, you're awake!
Okay, Billy. Okay, let's get you to hospital, okay?
Like, no, I can't leave him.
It's okay, Billy, I'll look after him. Just until you get back.
Look, Billy. Nipper's happy, look. Okay.
Hello, Mill Health Centre.
Cherry? Where's Ruth? Why isn't she answering the phone?
She's gone to the ladies.
Oh, well, she hung up on me earlier on.
No, she didn't. We're having problems with the phones.
Oh, right. Listen, Cherry, is Mr. Galliflakis there now?
Yeah, everything's fine. The meeting is underway. Juliet, no, you go and rest. Everything's in hand.
Great, thank goodness for that.
Okay? Okay, bye.
We finished our financial review. The full report will be with you in the next few days.
Excellent.
We're looking forward to continuing our relationship with the PCT under your new leadership. Is there anything else that you would like to know?
I think you've covered everything. Admirably, Miss Pearce. Ruth. Thank you for your time. And your hospitality. Miss Parsons must be happy to have such a capable deputy.
Well, I wouldn't quite call myself that, but...
I'll be sure and let her know.
There's this comedy club at the student union. What do you think?
You want to make yourself look perfect for Dr. Love.
What do you mean?
Shall we sit at the front?
You can't sit down the front.
One.
Fenella Bakewell here, food critic at Leatherbridge Life. I understand you're having a bit of a do this evening.
Don't come in.
Oh,